Good morning, children. So, I hope you're prepared for your upcoming examination, periodic test assessment 1, right? We're done with chapter 1, 2, 3, and 8. Now, the chapter that is going on is chapter 10, page number 70. Where is it? The world of growing knowledge. We have already discussed up till the story of writing. There are some more topic for us to complete this chapter, but we shall do this after your periodic assessment 1. These days what we will do is we will revise for your upcoming examination, and please note down the syllabus for your periodic assessment 1, that is chapter 1, the globe, a model of the earth; chapter 2, that is maps, our guide; chapter 3, which is from unit 2, that's climate. So 3 chapters. All right, so what we will do is the assignments which I have given you, the textual questions. Before I discuss further, let me tell you one thing. Please read the text. Okay, each and every word of the text is very important. Do not depend only upon the exercise questions. Those page number 10, if you see, of chapter 1, the exercise, those answer the following question, fill in the blanks, tick the correct option, true or false, match the column, name the following, answer the following questions orally. From here, very less portion of questions will be included. Let me tell you that. It does not mean that this portion will be excluded. It is included, but majority of the questions will be from the text. Okay, so both are equally important, the text, the textual content, as well as the exercise. We will discuss all this exercise, and at the same time I'll also be sharing the answers, as I've already given some of the answers earlier. Once again we will revise all of this, and especially this campus care, the TLM, okay, the PDF file which I'll be sharing with you all. Go through all those questions, and as I usually do, the answers for the questions of today will be shared with you in tomorrow or the next upcoming class, whenever you have, as per your timetable. If you have tomorrow, then it will be done tomorrow. So likewise, what will happen, we will be used to with all the chapters, all the exercises, and the question answers, all the as well. So please go through this chapter 1, 2, 3 thoroughly. This, I repeat, the syllabus for your PT1 periodic test or periodic assessment, whatever you call, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first 3 chapters. I won't go with any explanation today. I will just discuss some of the exercise today. How are we sure about the shape of the earth? Page number 10, question number A1. What is the answer? Page number 7, under the topic introduction, third paragraph. Philosophers and explorers such as Pythagoras, Aristotle, Magellan, Copernicus changed the opinion of the people about the earth, which they said was round. Sir Isaac Newton suggested that the earth was not a perfect sphere but was somewhat flattened at its poles. What is prime meridian? What is prime meridian? Page number 9, under topic meridians of longitude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth line. In 1884, all the countries of the world decided that the meridian passing through the observatory at the Greenwich near London in United Kingdom would be taken as the starting line, which is marked at 0 degree, and this is called the prime meridian. How do parallels differ from meridians? Where is it? Yeah. Meridians and parallels. Meridians are actually what? Longitude. And parallels, that is latitude. Parallels run from east to west. Meridians, they run vertically, that is north to south, right? You see page number 8, parallels of latitude. and page number 9, meridians of longitude. So meridians in parallel, which means longitude and latitude. They are basically asking the difference between longitude and latitude. I'll be sharing the answers with all of you. What is greed and how is it helpful? Where is it? Page number 9 under the topic locating a place. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last paragraph under locating a place. The latitude and the longitude cross each other and form a network. This network is called greed. Next, what is GMT? What is GMT? Page number 9 under time zone. At the time at 0 degree longitude is called GMT, which means Greenwich Mean Time. What is IST? Page number 10 under topic Indian Standard Time. IST is the time observed throughout India and Sri Lanka with the time offset of GMT plus 5:30, right? So these are the answers for the question answer. Next we have fill in the blanks. Likewise, I'll give you all the exercise, and please, yes, I forgot to tell you this. There are some key points mentioned at the end of each chapter, which is being titled as "Keep in Mind." Like for this particular chapter, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 key points. All right, go through these key points. These are very important. Most of the definitions, most of the answers are already mentioned in this key points itself. That's all for the day. We will be revising daily, okay, and share your answers accordingly, as everything is being kept in record. This whole week what we will do is we will keep on revising so that you are thorough with the chapters, and in case if you have any clarification, any doubt, you can also clarify the same. Make use of this, these days in a proper manner. So yes, please check your campus care and the file which I'll be sharing now. Okay, study well.